Time to switch off the lights. Okay. Should I do flash? And then on the other one we'll do smooth. Woo. Stuff, better click off. I think one more thing. Where did I put? I want to leave that thing right now. It was a flashlight. Watch this. I need like a good adjustment. Take this, put it like this. Look at that. Let's go for another song. It's the same song, but it. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. Got the two lights shining. Oh yeah. It's funny what a disco ball can do. This is a good jam. Yeah, so it looks like maybe I need to install like some kind of concentrated beam to really shine outwards, because these two lights are just not powerful enough. We need power. Just do it, and thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.